We're taught that life evolves by chance, the survival of the fittest, and that complexity emerges from simplicity. But what if everything we've been told about evolution is wrong? Dr. Agustín Ostachuk proposes a new revolutionary theory. Evolution is a process of unfolding. Evolution is a purposeful, teleological process of unfolding of potential forms contained within the very fabric of life. The complex was always there, hidden, pre-formed, waiting to be revealed. Imagine a book with its entire story already written, but rolled up. Evolution is like unrolling that book page by page. Each stage of life was already there, encoded in what he calls the ideological matrix, a blueprint of reality itself. And here's the real twist. Consciousness isn't a byproduct of evolution. It's the force driving it forward. According to Ostachuk, evolution is driven by teleological purposeful formal agents contained in morphogenetic fields. These agents carry the potential for more complex forms of life, and their purpose is to unfold that potential, actualizing it step by step. Each stage in evolution is not random, but an intentional act of revealing what was always there, hidden in potential. This theory challenges everything: Darwinism, materialism, even our understanding of reality. If evolution unfolds according to a pre-existing order, then it is not a struggle for survival, but a meaningful and purposeful journey directed by a deeper teleology. The universe and life are unfolding in a way we've never imagined before. Complexity is not created by chance, but by a purposeful, pre-formed process.